The other counter we're tracking closely, Biocon, stock is up sharply, more than 2% right now, after the company announced this morning that it has entered into an agreement with Bristol-Myers Squibb for an oral insulin drug, and Bristol-Myers Squibb will have the right to exercise an option to obtain an exclusive worldwide license of the program, but still the deal could potentially earn Biocon hundreds of millions of dollars in royalties. Pankaj Poddar joins in with all the details. Morning, Pankaj.
Well, Priyanka, if we largely look, it's a deal that the market was waiting for. IN105 is one of the drugs that's in phase 2 of their currently their clinical research, and they have striked a deal for that particular drug. It's an optional deal that if probably it crosses certain milestone in terms of the progress that the drug is currently under, which Biocon is doing, then probably they can get payments. But it's a big deal, if it happens. At this point of time, when we spoke to the management of Biocon, they did not give any financials, said that it's not appropriate to give any financials at this point of time, but going ahead it will probably involve some royalty payment, involve some one-time licensing fees. So yes, it involves a lot of things, but we really don't know what is the pricing. IN105 has been a big research drug that Biocon has been working for, and probably one needs capital as far as most of these drug researchers are concerned, and that's why probably getting in this partner. But at this point of time, we really don't know as far as what is the entire amount that they are booking in. But when we spoke to the management, they largely told that it could possibly become a very big deal. Let's listen into what Mazumdar-Shaw had to say on this particular deal they signed this morning.
The agreement that we signed right now is an option agreement, which is really about, which will then trigger a licensing agreement once we establish some data points. If you recall, oral insulin was a program that had a setback because of a placebo effect. And what we are now doing with Bristol-Myers Squibb is to restart and redesign these trials to establish the true efficacy potential of the drug. And so it is, right now at the first step of a potential licensing deal. So I don't want to, excite everyone at this stage. There is work to be done. There is data to be demonstrated. And once that happens, it can be a mega deal.
We had Mazumdar-Shaw here on the channel being slightly cautious as well. But anyway, we've got Pankaj. Thanks very much for the details there. Right now, we've got the stock